Welcome to A+ Healthy Lifestyle. Our goal is to make it easy for everyone to understand health knowledge shared by experts, scholars, and doctors from around the world. Some skincare products on the market are quite expensive, and treatments at beauty salons are even more costly. If you want great skin without spending money, this video is for you. In this video, we'll introduce 7 free beauty tips recommended by Japanese dermatologist Dr. Arata Tomori. Dr. Tomori often says that to protect your skin, you should keep it hydrated, avoid friction, and protect it from UV rays. Today, we'll discuss 7 additional beauty tips. First, get enough sleep. Dr. Tomori says that sleep provides the greatest beauty benefits. Lack of sleep reduces skin moisture, affects blood circulation, and makes your complexion look dull. A study by a bedding company found that people who don't get enough sleep look older. So, if you want to look beautiful and youthful, address sleep deprivation by scheduling enough sleep and aiming for deep sleep. If you want to sleep better, check out this video. Second, stay hydrated. Dr. Tomori says that providing moisture to your skin externally through lotion, cream, and face masks is important. It's also important to hydrate your skin internally. If your body is dehydrated, your skin will be the first to suffer. So, drinking water regularly is crucial. But drinking more isn't always better. Drinking too much at once can just cause you to expel it quickly, rendering it ineffective. However, if your body lacks water, your skin will become dry. Dr. Tomori suggests drinking about 1 to 1.5 liters of water a day, ideally 1 glass every 1 to 2 hours. Third, exercise regularly and moderately. First, let me explain which types of exercise are not ideal for your skin. Intense exercise, like marathon running or heavyweight training, may exacerbate oxidative stress, which is bad for your skin. What exercises are good for your skin? Activities like walking at a conversational pace or stretching can stimulate your muscles. These activities release muscle-derived cytokines, known as myokines, that have anti-inflammatory effects, preventing arteriosclerosis and reducing skin inflammation. Myokines can also increase skin collagen, preventing skin sagging and elastin degradation. Of course, when walking outdoors, Dr. Tomori advises you to always wear sunscreen. Fourth, avoid sugary foods. Eating too many sweets can cause skin glycation. When proteins combine with sugars, they produce advanced glycation end products, making your skin yellow and damaging type 1 collagen. Advanced glycation end products can also increase melanin production, leading to spots. But you don't need to completely avoid carbohydrates. Balance is key. Eat a variety of nutrients. The main thing to avoid is snacks that cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Registered dietitian Gloria Sang from Canada says that large blood sugar fluctuations can increase inflammation markers. Dr. Tomori suggests that if you're hungry, eat protein and fiber first, then carbohydrates. This can prevent your skin from yellowing, sagging, and developing spots. Fifth, avoid alcohol. Alcohol contains aldehydes, and your body uses GAPDH to break them down. GAPDH also has the function of inhibiting glycation in the body. So, if you drink a lot, you'll use up your GAPDH breaking down aldehydes, leaving less to prevent glycation in your body. More glycation leads to advanced glycation end products, making your skin yellow, damaging type 1 collagen, and increasing melanin production, which leads to spots. Sixth, avoid smoking. Dr. Tomori advises that you absolutely should not smoke. Cigarettes contain nicotine and many chemicals that can cause inflammation in your body. Smoking reduces oxygen levels in your body, leading to poor blood circulation. Nutrients can't reach your skin, slowing metabolism and skin turnover, making your skin dry and dull. E-cigarettes have similar effects, containing chemicals that reduce oxygen levels in your body. A study published in the Journal of Japan Society for Tobacco Control examined the relationship between smoking and skin condition in 188,709 women aged 20 to 50. It found significant differences in skin condition between smokers and non-smokers. Smokers had more melanin in their stratum corneum, leading to spots. Smokers' skin turnover was slower, making their skin look dull, with enlarged pores. Smokers also had oilier skin, prone to acne, and more noticeable skin sagging. So, for better skin, don't smoke. 7th, enjoy the process of skincare. Dr. Tomori says this has a placebo effect. Besides using products that make you feel comfortable and happy during your skincare routine, you should also feel good while walking or stretching. You need to enjoy and appreciate the process of skincare. If you're always in a good mood and smile happily, you'll leave a positive impression on others. In this episode, we've introduced the 7 free beauty tips recommended by Japanese dermatologist Dr. Arata Tomori. They include getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, regular moderate exercise, avoiding sugary foods, avoiding alcohol, not smoking, and enjoying the process of skincare. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to A+ Healthy Lifestyle, and share this video with your family and friends who need beauty tips. The reference links for this episode are in the video description. See you in the next video.